Hi friends! Are you getting a blank screen while downloading email attachments from your Gmail account? Let's go ahead and see how you can resolve this issue. Open the web browser on which you are experiencing the blank screen issue due to TabMix Plus. For demo purpose, we are opening Firefox browser here. Click on the Options menu and then select the Add-ons icon. Next to TabMix Plus, click on the Disable button to disable it. Click on the Restart Now button to restart the browser and allow the changes to take effect. Close the Add-ons Manager tab. Access your Gmail login page. Enter your account details and then click on the Sign In button to access your Gmail account. On your Gmail homepage, click on the mail having an attachment. Click the Download button to download the attachments and then follow the on-screen instructions to save and open the attachments. See? That wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching.